Welcome to Home of Math. Here is 4 divided a minus 1 minus 3 divided a minus 2 minus 1 divided a minus 3. Here is 3 fraction. We will combine and will make a single denominator. Let's start. So a minus 1, a minus 2, a minus 3. Here is a 3 denominator. We can make it a single denominator. So this denominator LCM is a minus 1, a minus 2 and a minus 3. So once we divide, here is 4 times a minus 2 into a minus 3 minus 3. Here is a minus 1 and a minus 3 minus, here is 1, so we can just write a minus 1 and a minus 2. Okay, so now we multiply everything. Denominator is a minus 1, a minus 2 and a minus 3, and here is 4a, it means 4a square, or for comfort zone we can write here is 4 and here is a square minus 3a minus 2a then plus 6, because here is minus and here is minus, minus minus plus 2 times 3 is 6. Similar, this one here is minus 3, we can write here is a square minus 3a minus a plus 3. Similar here, a square minus 2a minus a plus 2, right? Now again we multiply. Here is 4a square. Look, here is minus 3a and here is minus 2a. It means what? Here is 5a, minus 5a. So here is minus 20a plus 24. Again here is minus 3a square and here is minus 3a and a, it means 4a. So minus 4a times 3, it means plus 4 times 3 means 12, minus minus plus, and here is a, and here is minus 9. Here is also minus a square, minus 2a and minus a, minus 3a, minus 2. Okay. Oh, not this. Here is minus 2a and minus a, it means 3a, but minus and minus it will become plus. Here is a minus 1, a minus 2, a minus 3. Here is a minus 1, a minus 2, a minus 3. Now we will exchange something. Look, here is minus 4, here is 4a square, here is minus 3a square and here is minus a square. It means minus 3 and a, it will become minus 4. So 4a square we can cut. 4a square minus 3a square minus a square, it out. Now here is minus 20a, here is plus a 12a and here is 3a. 12 plus 3 means 15. 15 minus 20 is minus 5. So minus 5a. Again here is 24. Here is minus 9 and here is minus 9 and minus 2, it's minus 11, and so we can write 13. So our answer is 13 minus 5 a, divide a minus 1, a minus 2 and a minus 3. Okay, this is our answer. So hope you understand this one. Here is 13 minus 5a. So this is our answer. So we have to keep concern about minus and plus sign. Sometime need minus sign, we are putting plus sign, that's why our math become wrong. So be careful about these things. So no more today. Thank you very much being with me. Don't forget subscribe the channel.